Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have an amazing day for you guys today. See this place right here? This is where we stayed last night. We are at the Ringwood Hotel and Spa in Chesterfield. Yesterday we literally drove 3.5–4 hours, 180 miles with these guys to stay in this gorgeous place, because today we are going on an epic fly day. We're here for 3 days. This is going to be part 1 and there'll be a part 2 coming out next week as well. This is going to be so much fun. Last night we basically just chilled out. We flew in these amazing grounds of this hotel. That's why we basically stayed here. Acres and acres of beauty. The birds slept in the bathroom. They were happy with it, just because they need more sleep than we do. We woke up this morning to giant morning poos, which of course we did clean, and we're off. See you guys soon. Guys, we have arrived! Look at this place! It is so epic. We want to live here. So we're just trying to find everyone right now.
Yeah.
So far we got Mikey, Mia, we got Iago.
I'll stick these guys.
We got Shelby. Woo! We got Yazzie here with her small birds.
Guys, we have another reunion of Mia and Iago. Wow, good boy! Who's that? Is that Mia? Who's that?
On a bit of a hiking mesh, it's super windy. So many birds. All social distancing, responsibly, obviously. I don't want any COVID hate comments here. This is a sport. Sporting is allowed. And it's work. After trekking through mountains and fields, we have arrived. This place is just stunning. We have maybe like 15 birds here. I got bets on Mikey landing in one of those trees and not coming down until we leave. We'll see. Ow. So far the day's been pretty good. I got Quinn on me, trying to eat my ear. He seems like a pretty cool bird. Hey! I wonder what this looks like. Hey Quinn, kiss! We got some birds and trees over here. Mikey, as I promised you all, is in a tree over there somewhere. He's been up there for a little while now. We have Mia down here with Mummy Human.
Very glad.
And then Iago is back from his leisurely walk. Iago, can you give us a hat for this video? Alright boys and girls, it's been a lovely day. We are heading back now through this lovely walk and we're going to go eat some fish and chips and you guys can come with us! Yay! Off to get some food. We're in a sweet little town called Bakewell. So we've stumbled across a little village type thing. We're trying to find somewhere which will let all of us in to eat some food because we haven't eaten in like 22 hours and we're getting less happy by the second. We've ordered food. Woo! Right here guys, we have a colourful pigeon.
Hey Iago.
Hello colourful pigeon.
You look a bit like a dumb bird. Would you like some more food?
This has been such a fun day.
He got that straight.
Mikey's so happy. Hopefully they're very tired.
They're so hard.
They have to go sleep in the bathroom later. So we need to make sure they're really tired before we actually put them to sleep because it's like a foreign area. But if they're tired enough, they'll just knock themselves out and wait there. It'll be great.
Bye everyone. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow.
Back to the hotel, a couple of beers, put the birds to bed. We got the crew, the hotel crew. Shelby the Macaw, they're vlogging this too, so you can definitely check it out. We got good old Rachel and Iago. We're gonna make sure Iago and Mia are in separate rooms, you know, just being responsible parents and all, but we'll check back in when we're about to put these guys to sleep. See you soon. How do you feel?
Quite tired. So guys, we have got back home. They are so tired and they're just having their dinner. Yes, you are.
Right here, we have two very sleepy birds grinding their beaks, exhausted from the day, as they get ready to fall asleep.
Alright guys, birds are just about to go to sleep. It's quite late, they are exhausted. Over here we have set up their sleeping quarters. I know it's not the greatest, but at least this way they have time away from us and we can stay up a little bit later as we're gonna go have some beers with Iago's mum and Shelby's parents, which will be great. We are doing an epic day as well tomorrow, which we'll probably put out like a week later, so tune in next week for part 2. Thank you for watching, subscribe and all that stuff. Yay, bye bye.